I'm gonna give you the exact proven process that's worked for me and all of the clients that I've worked with to get to 7 figures and beyond. You see, I know what you're going through. You started your digital marketing agency with passion and enthusiasm to get it off the ground, but now you're ready to take it to the next level and you're struggling with some of the common bottlenecks that agencies face as they grow and as they scale. I'm Josh Nelson and I'm excited to share my proven blueprint for scaling agencies to 7 figures and multiple 7 figures and beyond. As a digital marketing agency coach, I've helped dozens of agencies, 99 to be exact, scale to 7 figures and put the right systems and procedures in place so they don't have to do it all themselves. The good news is scaling to 7 figures is very doable if you've got the right systems, procedures, and the right approach. And that's exactly what I'm going to give you on this video. The first step is to get crystal clear on who your ideal client is and serve a very specific market. The clearer you are on who your market is and the problems that you solve, the better you can position yourself as the go-to expert, become omnipresent in that space, and get clients to come to you pre-positioned to buy. This is one of the most important keys to accelerated growth in your agency. The next thing you need is a proven process for getting clients to come into your world and an engine that converts prospects into sales that works for you 24/7 and gets clients coming into your world, signing up for your services on retainer-based services, and you want an engine that's creating new opportunities for you on a perpetual basis. Now let's talk about wowing your clients and knocking it out of the park for them. You need to invest in client happiness and client success, right? You need to make sure that the services you offer provide a tangible, measurable results and that your clients are blown away. When you do it this way, every client tends to stick around for the long term, refers you to other, and really builds your reputation in the industry. These are just 3 critical steps for growing your agency to that 7-figure mark and beyond. If you want the rest of my full blueprint, go to my website at 7figureagency.com and get a copy of my book, The 7-Figure Agency Roadmap, How to Build a $1 Million Digital Marketing Agency. And I'll give you the entire roadmap and the entire blueprint that's worked for me and hundreds of other agencies to grow, scale, and put the systems in place to knock it out of the park for their clients. I can't wait to hear your success and welcome you to the 7-Figure Club.